So far, all the discussions, all the topics of the morning session have centered around various sectors. Current topic is on pursuit of excellence. It's really in operations. So in other words, it's operational efficiency. What is operational efficiency? It is the ratio between the inputs given to run a business and the output gained from the business. For example, you can say WhatsApp has a very high operational efficiency. 200 people, they have reached 200 billion. They have built a $20 billion company. So what are the inputs given to the business? Employees, capital expenses, operational expenses. What is the output you get is headcount productivity, increase in revenue, customer loyalty, innovation, so on and so forth. Today's IT SMEs have several roadblocks to overcome and achieve such operational efficiency. To name a few, you have attrition in employees. SMEs find it very difficult to attract and fight for the top talent to join them due to branding reasons, low salaries, and generally SMEs are favorite hunting grounds for the larger companies to poach their top talent. And you also have the need to conform to the government regulations, tax regulations, STPI, STZ regulations. High operational costs, the lease rates, they don't get the land for free. So they have high lease rates and software license costs, infrastructure costs. They also have difficulties in scaling up their marketing sales efforts to reach potential new clients. And they are not able to quickly take advantage of the new technologies like cloud computing, mobility, so on and so forth. And they also have to fight with currency exchange risk, build the leadership, bandwidth to run the business, to scale the business. They lack domain specialization. So the list goes on. So due to the time constraint of 1 hour, we have to focus on we could only focus on a couple of topics. One of the topics is how new technologies can help us facilitate collaboration among the employees in doing their tasks that can improve their productivity as well as cut down costs. So we have an expert, Anand Srinivasan from Cisco, to speak on that. Anand is a principal consultant, Cisco Systems. He has over 14 years IT experience in technology, consulting, solution architecture, and business development. He has been with Cisco for 10 years with a focus on data center and collaboration. And the other topic that we have is how best SMEs can manage the foreign currency exchange risk. So for that we have Gautam Das from Citibank. He is a Director, Treasury Operations. He holds an engineering degree in IIT Mumbai and MBA from ISB Hyderabad. He has been associated with Citigroup for 13 years and has worked in banking, technology, operations and treasury in India and abroad. Currently, he is a director in treasury, Citibank, and manages the team covering pan-India clients. I welcome our panelists. The way that we'll run this session is like this. We'll divide the session into two halves. In the first half of 30 minutes, first 15 minutes, Anand will present. And the second 15 minutes, we will open up the Q&A because these two are diverse topics, so we don't want to have two presentations and then followed by QA on both. And then Gautam will speak for 15 minutes and then we'll have another 15 minutes Q&A.